Hello, I'm Dr. Shanus and welcome to our Fast 5 series. Today we are covering breaking news. The FDA just removed the black box warning from hormone replacement therapy after over 20 years. This is huge news for women's health. Let's dive into your top 5 questions.
Dr. Shanuz, what exactly did the FDA change?
The FDA has officially initiated removal of the black box warnings from HRT products used for menopause. For over 20 years, HRT carries warning about breast cancer, cardiovascular disease, and dementia based on a 2002 study called the Women's Health Initiative. The FDA is now working with pharmaceutical companies to update labeling and remove references to these risks. However, they are keeping the warning for endometrial cancer with estrogen-only product because that risk is real for women with a uterus taking estrogen without progesterone.
Why did these warnings exist and what changed?
In 2002, the Women's Health Initiative study showed what appeared to be increased risk in women taking HRT. But that study had major flaws. The average participant age was 63, more than a decade past typical menopause age, and they use hormone formulations no longer commonly prescribed. Scientists spent 2 decades analyzing the data and discovered something crucial. Timing matters enormously. When women start HRT within 10 years of menopause or before age 60, benefits significantly outweigh risk for most women. The FDA expert panel concluded the original warnings were causing more harm than good.
What are the actual benefits then that women have been missing out on?
Beyond relief from hot flashes, night sweats, and sleep disturbance, the research shows reduced mortality risk. Women who start HRT within 10 years of menopause live longer. Heart health, up to 50% reduction in cardiovascular disease risk. Brain health, 64% reduction in cognitive decline and 35% lower Alzheimer's risk. Bone health, 50 to 60% reduction in bone fractures. These benefits are most pronounced when HRT starts within that critical 10 years window after menopause begins or before age 60.
Are there still any risks?
Yes, no medication is risk-free. The removal of the black box warning means that for women who start HRT at the appropriate time, benefits significantly outweigh risk for most. Breast cancer, the relationship is complex. Some formulation may slightly increase diagnosis risk, while others don't. We discuss this individually based on your health history. Cardiovascular risk. For women starting early, benefits are substantial. The original studies increased risk was primarily in much older women. Endometrial cancer. This risk is real, which is why we combine estrogen with progesterone for women with a uterus. Blood clots. Small increased risk with oral HRT, which is why we most of the time recommend that transdermal formulation. HRT is not one size fits all. We review your complete medical and family history to determine if it's appropriate for you.
So for women who have perimenopausal or menopausal symptoms, what should they do to start treatment right away with hormone replacement?
If you are experiencing menopausal symptoms and have been hesitant about HRT, this is the perfect time to talk with your healthcare provider. If you're within 10 years of menopause or under 60 and experiencing symptoms, you may be an excellent candidate. This is the optimal window for maximum benefit with minimal risk. If you previously stopped HRT due to the warning, it may be worth reconsidering considering. If you are managing symptoms with lifestyle changes or suffering through them, no, you don't have to. There are more options than ever. What I want you to take away, you have options and deserve informed decisions without fear-based misinformation. Schedule a consultation where we can review your health history, discuss your symptoms and goals, evaluate your risk factors, and create a personalized treatment for yourself. Call us today.